It's a 2015 Cadillac SRX. Dramatic elegance and sophistication for your everyday. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and V6 engine. Car and Driver notes the SRX has been doing some very heavy lifting for Cadillac, particularly since the Porky DTS was put out to pasture. Cadillac is driving the world forward. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.